Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is D, and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your door panel from your Mitsubishi Outlander 2024 model. Let's go. The door panel is connected by two Phillips head screws. The locations are here and here. We're going to begin with the plastic trim tool, and we're going to remove this panel behind the handle. Behind there, you'll notice that there's a Phillips head screw sitting right behind the handle. Our next step is to remove the screw that's underneath this rubber cover. And beneath it, you'll locate your Phillips head screw. Our next step will be to remove this panel here. We'll take our plastic trim tool and we'll pry our way around it. There's a clip on the back side. That's where you want to aim, to the middle area. Now we can go ahead and remove the door panel. After that, we will disconnect the electrical accessories behind the panel. We'll begin by prying our way around the panel. Then we'll be able to unsnap it and remove it. After you make your snaps, you want to lift up on the door handle. Now behind your panel, you will have connections connected to the back side. Now behind that panel, you have 4 connections. You have the door handles hook, you have 2 connections here, and 2 connections here. This connection isn't connected to anything, so you will let that remain there. You've now successfully removed your door panel from your Mitsubishi Outlander. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Catch you on the next one.